Ni miaka 25 ya ruo na mitangiko ya andu aria mahutirio ni mutino wa tharikira ya MBOMU iria yahanikire tariki 7 mweri wa kanana mwaka wa 1998 ubaruthi-ini wa Amerika guku Nairobi. Gukinyaniria na riu andu makiria ma 5,000 aria matigirwo na nguraro njuru cia tharikira ino ya MBOMU na angi 213 gukua matire marihwo ona thengia wao kugeria gutindikiriria thirikari ya Amerika ikinyanirie kihoto kiao.
They removed a lot of glasses. If you look at me at the back, it is all but wounds. There were cuts, there was glass inside me, 3 slip discs on the back. This point here, I lost 3 teeth.
Na ni undu wao kamiti ya IHINDA ya Senate iria iratongorio ni Seneta wa MACHAKOS AGNES KAVINDU ya kuhinyiriria andu aya marihwo ni yambiriirie CIIKARO ciayo muthenya wa umuthi niguo guthikiriria mateta na mitangiko iria andu aria mahutirio ni mutino uyu makoretwo makigerera.
You have complained that you've turned to the government, you've turned to institutions and you never got assistance. Can I please apologize on behalf of our country, and we've taken up your matter and we are going to do whatever is necessary.
Magitariria ruo ruria makoretwo makihitukira amwe ao maugite matigirwo mari itumumu ciana igitigwo iri cia ndigwa angi magitigwo mari atumia a ndigwa na wangi magitigwo na wathe wa kuremwo ni gwitwara ringi.
Then I witnessed the altercation between the occupants of the truck and the security personnel from the embassy. Then I heard what I thought were gunshots, and that's when the huge blast went. And from that day, I have never witnessed light of a day again. I became blind.
I was crying. My husband is inside there. I managed to get my husband dead in the city mortuary.
We went to the Kenyatta hospital. The doctor said, if it's food, you guys just go to the mortuary. We went there, that's where we found him.
Agitariria na kieha kiingi Grace Nyawira matigirwo mari ciana cia ndigwa hamwe na ciana ciao ingi 5 guku nake Lilian Mulwa agitariria uria nyungu yake ya uciari yahotomire na ari murito hindi ria tharikira ino yahanikire.
They searched for him the following morning and ended up finding him at the city mortuary. He was not even identifiable.
I was actually 3 weeks due to my due date actually. The trauma was so sensitive, and that is one of the things that most of the women went through, and not only the women, all the survivors.
Thutha wa guthikiriria mitangiko ino kamiti ino ni yugite ikwirutaniria utuku na muthenya nginyanagia matigirire kihoto kiaria othe mahutirio ni mutino uyu nikionekana na njira ya kurihwo ni thirikari ya Amerika kuria matanyite kugia na giikaro na atongoria a thirikari ya bururi ucio.
This is the time that Kenya and America should come together and do whatever is possible to compensate these people.
I don't think they can abandon us at the hour of need when we have suffered because of their an act of war against them on our land.
Kubo gwa kamiti ino gukite thutha wa raia a bururi wa Amerika aria mahutirio ni mutino uyu kurihwo guku raia a Kenya magitiganirio moko matheri. Handu-ini ha KAMITI TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.